Minister, this morning the Solicitor General told this open hearing, which, just as an aside, I tried to get done in camera for various reasons, but he told the committee this morning that he had been asked by you to, or you'd consulted him just yesterday, I think it was, on a High Court matter relating to the composition of the Senate. I must say, declaring an interest, that somewhat disturbs me as a member of the Senate. I hope it wasn't about my election to the Senate. But I hesitate to ask you, did you consult the the Solicitor General about that issue? But more importantly, and I'm assuming the Solicitor General was being honest when he said that that happened, did you give him permission, as the person who asked for his advice in this matter relating to the composition of the Senate, did you give him permission to make that knowledge available to the public at large by his evidence this morning?
No.
And as I say, I hate to do this, but I assume from your answer, Minister, that there was some discussion between you and the Solicitor General about the composition, about legal matters relating to
that's not quite right. I haven't spoken to Mr Gleeson this week. I asked, or through my office, I asked for his opinion to be obtained in relation to the matter. I know what this matter is about. I'm not going to put it into the public arena.
No, well,
and I don't believe Mr Gleeson ought to have done so either. And he didn't have the consent of the government to do so. But this was a case, as I said in my opening remarks, provided for by the Legal Services direction, because the Legal Services direction says the Solicitor General can deal with matters either referred to him by or referred to him with the consent of the Attorney General. This was a matter directly referred to him by me through the Australian Government Solicitor.
Okay, and thank you for that, Attorney. But my question is, and you have answered it, did you give him permission to publicly disclose that he had been he had been asked to give that opinion? I think you answered that, so thank you for that. That's all I have.